Hey guys, here's how to fly 4 channel RC helicopters. So first, up and down is to bring it up and down, and then right and left is for it to turn like this, spin like that, and then that's about it for the left side. Now onto the right side. Forward is actually forward, like it goes forward. You go forward, it actually goes forward, and when you go down, it goes back. And then this right here, this is for the helicopter to lean like this and go like that. So let's say I am going to the right, then it will go to the right. If you go to the left, then it will go to the left. So I hope you like this video, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.